on the side of the house near the garage doors. Looks like the whole thing's paved, doesn't it? Or concrete on a slab. It's like a lot of new wiring.
Artwork. Art.
Just all
Never know, that
storage.
could be a Picasso. This looks nice.
You need to come back and take a picture of these trusses or these concrete slabs they've got this foundation set on.
They look nice.
Yeah.
It looks good. Hey, there's a light.
Wow.
Here. Ken would want to hang out under here.
I mean, look at these deers.
I know, that's nice.
You don't see that very often.
Looks
Got a
like-
wash sink.
I mean, that's nice.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
There's your hot water heater.
Ah, that's that pipe right there. That's the sun.
Yep.
Letting us up